When a baby comes into your life, regardless of how much you have prepared for the baby's arrival, there's so much to figure out and challenges to overcome. However, with these new mom organization tips, you can make life much easier when taking care of a newborn and adjusting to a crying baby, constant diaper changes, and lack of sleep. So, in this video, we'll share 10 life-changing organization tips for moms to make their days less stressful. 1. Set up a portable pumping station. If you are pumping milk for the baby, you must get one of these amazing carts and store all of your pumping supplies. If you only have 30 minutes to pump, the last thing you have time for is running around gathering pumping supplies for the first 10 minutes or so. A pumping station is a time saver. 2. Keep a diaper caddy downstairs. If you keep a diaper caddy downstairs, you'll be able to quickly change baby's diaper without having to run up and down. This is especially helpful if you have other kids at home that needs your supervision, or even if the baby has a huge diaper blowout and you want to change the baby immediately. 3. Set up a diapering station. This is a no-brainer. You'll need a well-organized diapering station with all the diapering essentials in one place, so you can get through the many diaper changes throughout the day. 4. Don't forget the bassinet. We love working on nursery designs and creating beautiful spaces for babies. However, once you bring your baby home from the hospital, the best and safest place for the baby to sleep in is your room, and a bassinet like this one and this bassinet. 5. Get a drying rack. Your kitchen countertop will be a lot less messier if you get a drying rack to dry all the pumping essentials and baby's bottles. We like this drying rack, and this one. 6. Use a hanging closet organizer. If you use a hanging closet organizer that's already labeled with the days, you can not only organize the kids' clothes for each day, but also underwear and socks. 7. Always have the diaper bag packed and ready to go. Whenever you return from an outing with the baby, make sure you replenish any of the items you've used in the diaper bag. You should always have a fully stocked diaper bag in case you need to run out with the baby in a hurry. 8. Make lunches ahead. Yet another important time-saving strategy is to make kids' lunches the night before. Making lunches in the morning while getting breakfast ready, changing dirty diapers, and feeding the baby is nearly impossible. 9. Create a command center. A command center is a designated space where you have calendars, mailboxes, to-do lists, and schedules for the kids, all in one place. This hack will take most of the chaos out of your morning routine. No longer will you be running around just before the school bus shows up trying to fill out a form for school. 10. Set up the baby gear. You had your baby shower. Why wait to set up the baby gear? You'll be using the bouncer or a swing sooner than you think. Once your husband or partner goes back to work, you'll need this gear so you can take a break, grab a bite to eat, or use the bathroom.